Welcome to Markets.com. You're watching a company profile of Activision Blizzard Incorporated, an online and console video game publisher. You may know this company as the maker of World of Warcraft, Guitar Hero, Call of Duty, and Tony Hawk, among many other popular names in the gaming world that make Activision the market leader in all positions of the entertainment software industry. Based in Santa Monica, California, Activision has just under 4,500 employees who are under the management of CEO and President Robert Kotick. Activision is listed on the New York Stock Exchange, where it is traded on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol ATVI. Activision has grown immensely in the last decade along with the video game industry. The company is poised to achieve double-digit sales growth in 2008 in spite of the U.S. and global recession. Still, the company sees further growth in revenues and earnings in the next couple of years just by continuing on the same path. In the past, Activision has shown that it is willing to grow through acquisition. Examples of this have been the purchase of Red Octane, the developer of Guitar Hero, and Infinity Ward, the company that developed some of the games in the Call of Duty franchise. Last year, before the merger that created Activision Blizzard, Activision bought Bizarre Creations, a UK developer that created Project Gotham Racing and is a specialist in the racing game genre. This was an effort to enter the racing genre, which could be up to 10% of the video game market. The company is always open to purchases that will be accretive to the balance sheet. The company also plans to grow organically. This includes producing sequels for its main franchises. If we take a look at 2007 and 2008, its biggest blockbusters were Guitar Hero and Call of Duty, both released late in the year to take advantage of the holiday season. The same schedule is planned for 2009, and there is no doubt that this formula will be followed as long as it works. And let's not forget the Blizzard division. In its recent merger with Blizzard, it expects subscriptions from World of Warcraft and sales of new expansion packs to grow revenues. Also, Blizzard is apparently set to deliver one of the most anticipated games of this decade in 2009 with its release of StarCraft 2. The company is also working on the third iteration of the Diablo franchise, which should also be a huge seller. Finally, it hopes to grow in the game advertising arena, in which it recently signed a multi-year, multi-game deal with Massive for in-game advertising in its Xbox 360 and PC titles. While the video game sector has not been as recession-proof as people first thought, the best-performing publisher in the sector has easily been Activision. This goes back to at least 2007, when they became the top-selling third-party publisher in the video game industry. While its stock is down 39% year-to-date, it is faring a lot better than arch-rival EA, whose stock is down more than 70%, and THQ, which is down 85%. The company has beat analyst expectations throughout the year and is likely to beat sales expectations in the fourth quarter, despite all the doom and gloom surrounding the world economy and its arch-rival EA. The company's strategy of focusing most of its talent and marketing on a few big games has proven very successful and kept costs from skyrocketing while still driving sales. The company's stock price, on the other hand, reflects a company for which sales are flat to down. Of course, Activision, being in the video game market, has a high price per earnings ratio, so it might be possible that the stock is going through a large multiple contraction to make up for enormous gains in the past. The other possibility is that investors believe that the company would not fare well because of the recession and have still not priced the strong fourth quarter into the stock price. With that said, the company is easily the best company in the video game space and one of the few companies in any space that is growing in this economy. Still, we will have to wait and see if the stock turns around and if Activision can keep up this momentum in 2009. Thanks for tuning in to Markets.com. I'm Luisana Swigard. Have a great day.